In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Assassin's Creed 3 Remastered. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this basic but beautiful Reshade 2.0. Download the mod. You need a Reshade to download it. Select the download Reshade with full add-on support. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded mod and select WinRAR and select extract to. And now open the reshade setup, select the S option and select browse and navigate to game folder. Select the game exe file highest KB in here and select open and select next. Select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to downloads and open the mod ini file and select open option. Select next. Select skip and finish. Once this done, launch the game. We have successfully installed the reshade mod. Press the home key inside continue, continue again, continue, finish. And right now the reshade is successfully installed. Press the home key to close this menu. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.